Hi, it's Anne here from Working Words Media, and I was going to say this is a bonus session back, but actually when I looked at my calendar this evening and I was doing a bit of admin for the challenge, I suddenly realised that in fact today is day 29 of the 30 days of pictures, and if I'd gone ahead with my Zoom session tonight as planned, I would have been shortchanging you. So this is a session that I hadn't planned, but so many people have asked me about this that I thought it would be really good, and it's a bit of a fun thing to do to round up all the course. So what we're going to look at is how to use colorizing app to change a black and white picture and add some color elements. So my starting point was this macro image. And then I remove the yellow centre and then the petals. These are the results. And whether one is better than the other is really just a matter of taste. If you're wondering how I achieved these effects, on iOS I used an app called Colour Splash, but on Android there's a completely separate app called Colour Splash Effect, which will achieve a very similar result. The following demonstration is on Colour Splash, but the principle for changing the colour of a black and white picture is very much the same. When you import the picture, first of all, ensure that it starts off being black and white and the settings are adjusted so that you can add colour. Using your fingers, expand the view of the area you want to work on and simply colour in on screen. You need to be patient because this is fiddly and you need to be prepared to give it some time. But for the demonstration, I've speeded up the video at this point. If you make a mistake, simply switch settings to erase it and then add more grey. This is a very rough version of the finished image for this demonstration. But if I was doing it for real, I would take 20 minutes or so to get it really right, to make sure that all those spikes were just so. However, I hope this has given you a feel for exactly what's possible. So today I'd like you to use this technique and an app to change the colours on a black and white picture and to post your picture into the Facebook group. And tomorrow our Zoom session will take place on what will actually be day 30 of the 30 days of pictures. I will put the link in the email that comes with this video, but I will also send you an email tomorrow morning with a reminder link as well. So see you tomorrow. Bye.